This video will show you how to replace the jamb liner on Andersen E-Series Double-Hung Windows. You'll need safety glasses, a long flat blade screwdriver, denatured alcohol, and a clean cloth. You'll also need an Andersen E-Series replacement jamb liner. If you need to order replacement parts, contact our customer care center at 1-888-888-7020. Windows and doors can be heavy. Use safe lifting techniques and a reasonable number of people with enough strength to lift, carry, and install window and door products to avoid injury and/or product damage. Before you begin, find the service guide that came with your replacement parts. Be sure to read it completely, including all the cautions and warnings. You can also download the guide at AndersenWindows.com. If you need to familiarize yourself with the terminology in this video, we recommend clicking on the information link in the upper right-hand corner to watch a video on identifying the parts of an Andersen E-Series Double-Hung Window. To begin, unlock the window and raise the lower sash approximately 4 inches. Now, rotate the lock handles to the wash position indicator. While holding the latches in the wash position, tilt the sash inward until the latches clear the window frame. Next, slowly lower the sash downward until it is perpendicular to the window frame. The sash must be supported during tilting, removal, and installation. Failure to support the sash may result in personal injury and/or product damage. It's important that the sash is perpendicular to the window frame, as this will lock the balancer shoes in place. Sash balancers are under tension, and if the shoes are not locked in place, the balancers may release and cause damage to the window frame. Now, firmly grasp each side of the sash. Lift up on one side of the sash until it is clear of the balancer channel. Then, lift up on the other side and remove the sash. Set it aside for reinstallation. Use extreme care when working around a window opening. Never leave a window opening unattended, especially when children are present. Falling from a window opening may result in severe injury or death. Next, lower the upper sash approximately 1/3 of the window's height. Retract the tilt latches and tilt the sash until it is perpendicular to the frame. Firmly grasp each side of the sash. Lift up on one side of the sash until it is clear of the balancer channel. Then, lift up on the other side and remove the sash. Set it aside for reinstallation. Using a flat blade screwdriver, pry the bottom of the spring cover out of the side jamb. Then, grasp it at the bottom and remove it by pulling outward and sliding it down from behind the headstop. Save the cover for reuse. Balancers are under high tension. Use a long flat blade screwdriver so that both hands can be used to release tension. Suddenly releasing the balancer shoe could damage the window unit. Insert a long flat blade screwdriver into the cam slot. Using both hands, apply firm downward pressure and rotate 1/4 turn to the exterior of the house. Hold firmly and allow the shoe to rise until it stops. Repeat this process for the other balancer. Now, remove the sill cushion and save for reuse. Slide the outside jamb liner insert to the top. If a sash stop is present, slide it up as far as possible. Now, remove the side jamb liner. It may be helpful to use a thin piece of scrap vinyl material to avoid damaging the setting pad. Working from the bottom to the top, pry the jamb liner edge from the frame to disengage it. Next, pull the side jamb liner down slowly and remove it from the frame. dispose of the jamb liner properly. Before installing the new jamb liner, clean the sill using denatured alcohol and a clean cloth. Slide the exterior jamb liner insert to the top of the jamb liner. For reference, the balancer clips are located at the top of the jamb liner. Next, make sure the jamb liner is properly oriented. The jamb liner is flat at the top and angled at the bottom. Make sure the interior side rib is positioned to go into the interior channel. Insert the flat side of the jamb liner into the top of the frame. Gently angle and twist the jamb liner. Using upward pressure, install the jamb liner into the frame, locking the front lip behind the interior stop. Next, lock the exterior side of the jamb liner into the frame, working from the bottom to the top. Remove the piece of scrap vinyl. Slide the exterior jamb liner insert down to the sill. If a SASH stop is present, slide it down to the sill. Reinstall the sill cushion with the wide end in the jamb liner channel and the adhesive side down. Use a flat blade screwdriver to press it firmly into place. Now, insert a long flat blade screwdriver into the cam. Using both hands, slide the shoe down until it is aligned with the shoe on the opposite side of the frame. Rotate the shoe cam 1/4 turn toward the interior of the house to lock. Repeat for the other balancer. Reinstall the spring cover. The flat edge of the spring cover should be toward the interior of the house. Working from top to bottom, reinstall the spring cover, securely pushing it into place. To reinstall the upper sash, grasp the sash by both sides so that the interior is facing downward. Insert the left pivot pin into the slot in the left balancer shoe. Lift the right side of the sash until the right pivot pin can be seated into the right balancer shoe. While retracting the tilt latches, return the top sash to the frame. Release the tilt latches and be sure they fully engage into the window frame. Raise the upper sash to its highest position. Install the lower sash by following the upper sash installation steps. Retract the tilt latches and return the lower sash to the frame. Finally, close and lock the window. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the jamb liner on your Andersen E-Series Double-Hung Window. If you need parts for your Andersen windows or doors, or if you have questions about care, maintenance, or repair, call our Customer Care Center at 1-888-888-7020 or visit the Help Center in the service section of our website at help.andersenwindows.com. Andersen, customer care is what we care about most.